In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create infinite zoom out/in video with Midjourney, step-by-step tutorial. We'll start simple and build the exact frames you need for that smooth, hypnotic zoom effect. Open your favorite web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney. You're looking for the official Midjourney website in the results. Click through, and if you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can create and save your images. Once you're on the site, you'll either be on Explore or Imagine. In the prompt box, describe the scene you want to zoom through. For example, you could write something like Loom of Echoes Surreal Photo, and, if you're comfortable with parameters, add something like XP80 to boost detail in the highlights and shadows. The key is to choose a subject with a strong focal point and good contrast, because that makes the zoom feel more dramatic and readable. Think about a center subject, clear leading lines, or layered depth. Click. Submit to generate. Midjourney will render a set of options. Give it a moment, then review the results. You're looking for an image that feels cinematic and stable, with a clear center of interest, something your viewer's eye can lock onto as you push in or pull back. When you see the one you like, click it to open the detailed view. On the right side, you'll see the zoom controls. This is where the magic starts. Click Zoom. You'll get options for how far to zoom. Choose 2x to zoom in. A 2x zoom is a great starting point because it gives you a bold change while keeping continuity with the original frame. Midjourney will generate a new image that feels like a deeper step into your scene. After it finishes, review the zoomed image. If it maintains the subject and feels smooth, you can click Zoom again and repeat another 2x. Each pass becomes the next frame in your sequence. For an infinite style feel, continue zooming as many times as you like, keeping an eye on clarity and composition at every step. If anything drifts off center, back up to the last strong frame and branch from there with slight prompt tweaks to reinforce your subject. You can also experiment by starting with different initial prompts to create multiple zoom paths, one for a surreal gallery, another for a nature scene, and so on. The goal here is to build a consistent chain of images that read as a continuous move in or out. That's the foundation of the infinite zoom effect and sets you up for a seamless final result.